Okay, by now you should have finished your work with your partner and your independent work, so we're going to go over it. Check for understanding. Demonstrate what you have learned by solving the problems. Identify the constant terms, variable terms, and simplify the expression. So for number 1, the constants are 8 and 4. The variable terms, so when it says variable terms, that means you write the whole thing. That's 3x and 2x. Simplify the expression. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 8 plus 4 is 12. 5x plus 12. Number 2, the constants are 7 and 2. The variable terms are 4x, 3x, 5y, 8y. Remember, we want our answer to be in alphabetical order. So 4x plus 3x is 7x. 5y plus 8y is 13y. 7 plus 2 is 9. 7x plus 13y plus 9. Standardized test questions. So this is similar to what you would see on Georgia milestones. What does the simplified version of 4x plus 3x plus 8 plus x plus 2 look like? 4x plus 3x is 7x, plus x is 8x, 8 plus 2 is 10, 8x plus 10. Hector was given 2 problems on his math test and asked to combine like terms. Take a look at Hector's solution, spot the mistake, fix his mistake, and solve the problem. So 6x plus 3x is 9x, plus x is 10x, plus 9. Hector combined 10x plus 9x to be 19x, but those are not like terms, so you cannot combine those. And this is the correct answer. 4a plus 3a is 7a plus 7b. You cannot combine those because you're adding, so it should be 7a plus 7b. That is your answer. Partner practice. Number 1, you should have 5x plus 11. Pause the video to make sure you have time to check and make sure your answer is correct. You should have already worked these out, but you need to make sure your answers are correct. Number 2 is 10b plus 13. 3 is 12y plus 9. 4 is 8n plus 10. 5, remember you want these in alphabetical order. That is 13x plus 4. 6 is 14p plus 12. 7, 6 plus 7 is 13, plus 2 is 15y, plus 18. 8, 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 2 is 15. 5 plus 9 is 14, plus 6 is 20. 15a plus 20. Number 9, I'm going to start with my a term. 4a plus 8a is 12a. b plus 3b is 4b. And I'll leave my constant for the end. 12a plus 4b plus 6. Number 10, alphabetically, I'm going to start with my x term. 2x plus 6x is 8x. 5y plus 7y is 12y. 8z plus 3z is 11z. For independent practice, number 1, you should have 8y plus 7. Number 2, 9a plus 1. Number 3, 14a plus 6. Number 4, 6w plus 11. Number 5, 8x plus 13y plus 8. Number 6, 6c plus 14d plus 6. Number 7, 10r plus 3. Number 8, 15z plus 5. Number 9, 13x plus 9. Number 10, 14n plus 18. Number 11, 6q plus 9. Number 12, 3a plus 11b plus 10c. Challenge questions. Use what you have learned from this lesson to solve the advanced problems below. This is what we learned yesterday in class with the journal notes. We're adding linear expressions. So if a equals 4x plus 8 and b equals 6 plus 8x, what is a plus b? A is 4x plus 8 plus b is 6 plus 8x. So remember, when we're adding, nothing changes in the second expression. So I can rewrite this without my parentheses. And now I combine like terms. 4x plus 8x is 12x. 8 plus 6 is 14. 12x plus 14. Number 2, let x equals 3x plus 5 plus 2x and y equal 4 plus 7x plus 1. What is x plus y? That is 3x plus 5 plus 2x plus 4 plus 7x plus 1. You should have already worked these out. This should just be reviewing your answers. So I'm adding. That means I'll rewrite these without parentheses and then combine like terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x, plus 7x is 12x, 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10, 12x plus 10. Julian says the expression 3 plus 3 times 2a plus 2 and 9a plus 9 are equivalent. Is he correct? So let's simplify this expression. Keep my 3. Now I have 3 times 2a, which is 6a, and 3 times 2 is 6. Combine like terms. I only have one a term. 3 plus 6 is 9. 6a plus 9 does not equal 9a plus 9. So he is not correct. Number 4, to solve for the perimeter of a polygon, you must find the sum of all the sides. That means you added them. Look at the equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all sides are equal, so all sides are the same to the side that we've been given, 4x plus 2. So my perimeter is 4x plus 2 plus 4x plus 2 plus 4x plus 2. When I'm adding linear expressions, nothing inside the parentheses change if there's nothing in front of it. So I can rewrite this without parentheses and combine like terms. 4x plus 4x is 8x, plus 4x is 12x, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. The perimeter is 12x plus 6. That is the final answer. Write an expression that represents the perimeter of the polygon. So perimeter means we add up all the sides. That is x plus x plus x plus x plus x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x. That is my expression. Emanuel is looking at a square. He notes the measure of one of the sides is 3x. If he wanted to draw a border around it, how long would it measure in terms of x? So we know a square has 4 equal sides. One side is 3x. So I'm multiplying 4 times 3x, which is 12x. So what that looks like is each side is 3x. So when I add them all together, that is 12x. Explain what steps you used to solve this in complete sentences. So when you are writing constructed responses, you should use your vocabulary terms, stating that you combine like terms, that you use the distributive property, that you knew the square had 4 equal sides, and construct it in 2 to 3 sentences explaining how you solved it and using the vocabulary terms from this unit. A great way to write a mathematical paragraph on standardized test is the first step I took was I wrote an expression of 4 times 3x. I did this because there are 4 equal sides. Each side is equal to 3x. Next, I multiplied 4 times 3x because distributive property says to multiply what's on the outside by everything on the inside. Finally, I had to simplify the expression. This is how I arrived at the answer of 12x, which answers the question of how long the side has to be for the square.